Step into the 2016 Toyota Prius 2. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: wheels 6.5J x 15 5-spoke aluminum alloy, front bucket seats, fabric seat trim, radio, in-tune audio, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, front center armrest and spoiler. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.